Guys, it's time to taste. Yeah, it's time to taste. Let's get it. What up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I am doing like another cooking with Kendrix. And today we're like cooking some steak and peppers. It's about to be good, and it's basically gonna be my dinner. So yeah, but please subscribe if you're new, and please share on social media so I can get more views and subscribers. I can't wait to cook this stuff. Let's get it. I already cut a little bit though, but I can finish it. That was my bad. My bad, dog. Steak, I got the peppers, and yeah, I got the seasonings. I got these crushed red pepper. Oh yeah. I got this blackened. Oh yeah. I only got a minimum of like 2 spices, cause I got crushed red pepper and blackened, some black powder, and some onion powder, just to make it throw it a little bit off. You don't want it too spicy, cause I'm adding these mugs in. Let's season this up and let's get it. We're gonna put them on top like in the middle of cooking it. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next part. Put it on 3 so it could heat up the oil on the pan, and then I'm gonna put my steak on here. It's cooking, but it's not like bumping. Like it's sizzling, but it's not like popping or nothing yet. But it's on 3 so it's low, and I'll turn it up when it's like ready to get turned up. So I flipped it, cause look at that other side, bro. It's almost done. I'm ready to fight that mug. I'm flipping it and everything. I know it's not done yet. I'm just saying. Excuse me. It's on top, and I'm moving this around so they could get around everywhere. I don't know if it's done yet, but I'm gonna taste it in a minute. Now it's popping. You add the peppers on here. And you got the peppers everywhere. So then they could cook a little bit, kind of. And then I'm putting them on there. And yeah, let's get it. Guys, it's time to taste. Yeah, it's time to taste. Let's get it. Not spicy. But that's why I got water. The best thing. Bro, that's 9.5 out of 10. How spicy that was. My God. Oh my goodness. My throat is gonna be messed up, bro. I'm telling you. But on that note, thanks for watching. Please share my posts and please subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later. You already know. Peace out.